Ready to grab your slice of the Bitcoin pie the easy way? We're diving into a super simple tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin using Moonpay, the platform that makes crypto purchases a breeze. First, head over to Moonpay's website. You'll see a purchase form in the I want to spend field. Enter the amount of fiat currency you'd like to use to buy Bitcoin. Then, notice how the I want to receive field automatically calculates the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you'll get. Make sure Bitcoin or BTC is selected in the crypto selection field. If it is not, use the drop-down to select Bitcoin. Next, under the payment methods section, select either credit card or bank transfer. Follow the prompts. Both provide great options. Now it's time to input your email address in the field provided in order to get started with your Moonpay account. You'll need to go through a quick KYC Know Your Customer verification process. This usually involves uploading a governmentist ID. This can take a few minutes. Finally, and most importantly, provide your Bitcoin wallet address so that Moonpay knows where to send your newly purchased Bitcoin. Double check that the address is correct. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your Bitcoin will be on its way to your wallet. Congratulations, you now own Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Now go forth and conquer the crypto world.